Hello guys, hello good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to make this tea. This is a herb infused tea that I made at home. I'm going to be showing you how you can make yours at home. Make sure to stay up to the end of the video to learn more about it. So we are going to start by washing and preparing this fresh aloe vera. Now that our aloe vera is ready, we are going to heat or rather boil the herbs. There are two ways that you can prepare the tea. You can either take boiled water, then you add into the herbs and cover it for them to heat and for the water to get the nutrients from the herb, or you can just put them all in cold water and then boil the water. In this case, because I have fresh aloe vera, I am going to be boiling them. Remember, you don't have to use the exact same herbs. You can use the herbs that are available at home, but you have to do your research well and know whether they help with the hair growth. After we have added all the herbs, now the next thing is to cover the mixture and let it boil. Our tea is ready. Now what we have to do is to transfer it to the spray bottle so that we can use it on our hair. And there is something I forgot to say at the starting of the video, that this tea, you don't drink it. It is a hairspray tea. You take your spray bottle and then you spray the tea into your hair. Don't mind my hair, guys, it's 2 week old. But like we said, if you want to use any herb infused oil or any growth supplements, be ready to be undoing your hair after every 2 weeks. This is how my hair looks after 2 weeks. Thank you for watching up to the end of the video, guys. Make sure you go and try to make this herbal tea for amazing results, and come back and comment how your experience was.